Can LG OLED TV be repaired? Yes, LG OLED TVs can be repaired, but the cost and feasibility depend on the type of damage and whether the TV is under warranty. Repairs can range from simple fixes like software issues to complex hardware replacements like screen or motherboard repairs. First, common LG OLED TV issues that can be repaired. LG OLED TVs can develop issues over time, and some of the most common repairable problems include screen damage. If the OLED panel has burn-in, dead pixels, or cracks, the screen may need replacement. Power issues. If the TV won't turn on or keeps shutting off, it could be due to a faulty power supply or motherboard failure. Audio-video problems. Issues like no sound, distorted picture, or HDMI port failures can often be repaired by replacing internal components. Software glitches. Problems like freezing, lagging, or app crashes can usually be fixed with a firmware update or factory reset. 2. Checking LG OLED TV warranty for repairs. Before seeking a repair, check if your LG OLED TV is still under warranty. Step 1. Locate your TV's purchase receipt and note the model number. Step 2. Visit the LG support website and check the warranty status. Step 3. If your TV is under warranty, contact LG customer support to schedule a free repair or replacement. Step 4. If out of warranty, you can still request a repair, but costs will apply. 3. Repair options for LG OLED TV. If your LG OLED TV needs repairs, you have several options. LG Authorized Service Center, the best option for official repairs and warranty claims. Local TV repair shops can fix common hardware issues like power boards, but may not replace OLED panels. DIY repairs. If the issue is minor, like software glitches, you can try factory resetting or replacing small parts like cables. LG customer support. You can contact LG directly for troubleshooting or to arrange for an official technician. 4th, cost considerations. For LG OLED TV repairs. Repair costs vary depending on the problem. Software issues, usually free, firmware updates or resets. Power supply board replacement, $100 to $300. Main board replacement, $200 to $500. OLED screen replacement, very expensive, often $1,000 plus, making replacement more practical than repair. LG OLED TVs can be repaired for common issues like power failures, audio problems, and minor glitches. However, screen replacements can be costly, and in many cases, buying a new TV is more cost-effective. Always check your warranty status and consider repair costs before deciding.